Good morning, good morning. It's Elizabeth from StampScrapAndMore.com. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located in Canada, and it is Saturday, April 18th, 7:30 a.m., and I'm on my second cup of coffee. Yay! So you know what that means. I'm going to be flying today. Anyhow, so yesterday, this was on my doorstep. My April's 2020 paper pumpkin kit. Didn't have a chance to open it or play with it yesterday, but I thought I would play with it this morning. And I opened it and got into it, and I thought, oh shoot, I should have done a video. So it's already been opened, but I'm going to share the contents with you now. What I love about what Stampin' Up! Is doing now with paper pumpkin kits is they are shrink wrapping them, the boxes. So when it came yesterday from FedEx, I was able to take the shrink wrap off, dispose of it, and wash my hands, and the box was nice and pristine, ready for me to open up and play with. So this month's kit is called My Wonderful Family, and let's take a look, see what's inside. First off, we've got the advertisement for next month's kit, which is just add in color, but it's black and white. Why? Because it is going to have some of the new 2020, 2022 in colors in it. And it's that time of year, folks, where we're getting ready for the new annual catalog. It will go live to demonstrators on April 22nd. Demonstrators will be able to see it, which will include the new in colors. Then on April 24th on paperpumpkin.com, Stampin' Up! Will release the colors for the new kit, so you'll be able to see what the colors are that are going to be in this kit. Yeah, it's that exciting time of year. So we get to see the catalog April 22nd, can order May 1st, and then it goes live to customers on June 1st. And there's some changes to the catalog. So if you don't have a demonstrator and you're wanting to know what the changes are, send me a message to info@stampscrapandmore.com. I'd love to tell you. I've actually spilled the beans already on the VIP Facebook page. They're great changes. Anyhow, so these are the cards. There are 8 cards for each of 2 different designs. And the coordinating colors are crushed curry, early espresso, melon mambo, mint macaron, pear pizzazz, shaded spruce, and soft sea foam. Okay, so we have, what do I want to go? I'll go through the stamp sets first. How's that? Let me just get something to put behind here. So the stamps, we've got a tree and a tree trunk and some butterflies. We've got, some of them are upside down, so I'll always be here for you. I'll always be here for you. Happy Father's Day, Happy Mother's Day, family, where life begins and love never ends, and then to my wonderful, and then we've got mom, son, brother, dad, daughter, and sister, and we've got, forgot the leaves here. So that's the stamp set. The color, Stampin' Spot color, is Pear Pizzazz. We have some Melon Mambo ribbon. Always your dimensionals and your adhesive dots. We have some pearls that are crushed curry and mint macaron. Or is it soft sea foam? Oh, you know what? Not sure. What? I'm not sure because both are in there. Soft sea foam and mint macaron. Did I say mint macaron? I did. I think they're mint macaron. I think. Here are the printed envelopes with the beautiful print on the flap. This is the card base for these envelopes, and the card folds like this. Love it when they do fancy folds. This is the other envelope with the shaded spruce card flap. And this is the card base for this one. And it opens like that. It's dark because the sun was shining in the window, and I had to put boards up in the window because I couldn't see anything. Sorry. I always struggle with lighting. And then we have 2 sheets of die cuts for the trees. A sheet of plain labels, die cut labels. 2 sheets of hard to see, but they're leaves. A sheet of printed die cut labels. a sheet of butterflies and doves, and then 4 sheets of this saying. Life's greatest blessings begin and end with family. It is families that we learn to love. It's in families that we learn to love, teach what is most important, and grow together in love and laughter. Grateful for you, happy to be yours. And these go on this card like that. And so here's the final picture once again. Now, one thing I love about Stampin' Up! And Paper Pumpkin is the ability to take the cards and create out of the box. Everything you need to make these cards in the box, except for the Stampin' Block, which you would have received with your very first Paper Pumpkin subscription. So hold on to that for future Paper Pumpkin kits that you receive. But you also have the ability to change up the kits to suit you and your needs. So when I saw this kit, I thought, okay, it's very family specific, which is wonderful. But whenever I do classes that are specific to Mother's Day, Father's Day, a lot of my customers will say, well, my mom's passed away, my dad's passed away. So we'll change cards up to suit their needs, which easily could, using a stamp set you have on hand, change it to happy birthday or thinking of you. And in this case, there is a stamp set that says, I'll always be here for you. That could be for anybody. That doesn't have to be family specific. But this saying, this sentiment, is family specific. And so I was thinking of how to change this up as I was looking at the kit. And easy. So you would just mat a piece of cardstock on top of that, and then using stamps that you have on hand, change it up with a flower or put an embellishment on top, or change it up, put a piece of cardstock on top and put your leaf, stamp the butterflies around the edge, and then use the sentiment that says, I'll always be here for you. So you can still do what you need, but you would just need to put a piece of cardstock on top of that to cover the saying, and you would just have a matted edge around it with that pretty color. So that was my idea on changing it up just a bit. Now on the Facebook page for Paper Pumpkin, every month they do a Facebook Live where they showcase alternate projects, and these are things that demonstrators have sent in, and they showcase them. And these are over-the-top projects that I didn't think to do that with the kit. And so oftentimes people won't even put their kits together until they see these other alternate projects. So if that's something that you're into, you could follow the Stampin' Up! Paper Pumpkin Facebook page, and you'll get notified when they go live with the alternate project. So that is me for Saturday, April the 18th with my wonderful family Paper Pumpkin kit, and I will be putting this together today because I like the idea of not having to think about anything and just putting the cards together. I will be changing up 1 or 2 of these and doing and I'll post them on my Facebook page so that you'll see what the alternate projects are. All right, so have a great one. Stay safe, stay warm. There was frost on the roofs today, but it's supposed to warm up. So hello spring, right? Come on, come on. And have a great one. And any questions, as always, you can send me a message to info@stampscrapandmore.com. Again, I'm Elizabeth, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located in Canada. Ciao!